In this video, we're comparing Spocket versus AutoDS, two of the most popular dropshipping tools for online stores. If you're thinking about starting a store or already running one, these platforms can save you a ton of time. Links to free trials are in the description. Let's get started. Ease of use and setup. Let's start with how easy they are to use. Spocket is simple and beginner-friendly. Once you connect your Shopify, Wix, or WooCommerce store, you can browse products, import them with one click, and start selling fast. The dashboard is clean, easy to follow, and takes about 15 minutes to set up. AutoDS is more powerful, but a bit more complex. It connects to platforms like Shopify, eBay, Amazon, Etsy, Facebook Marketplace, and even TikTok Shop. The dashboard gives you full control, but it might feel overwhelming at first because there are so many automation options. Verdict: Spocket is easier for beginners, while AutoDS gives advanced users more control. Product catalog and suppliers. Spocket focuses on high-quality suppliers in the US and Europe. You'll find a catalog of 100 million products, mostly from trusted local brands, which means faster shipping and better quality. AutoDS, on the other hand, connects you to over 500 million products from suppliers around the world, including AliExpress, Walmart, Amazon, and private vendors. It even includes print-on-demand options and private warehouses. Verdict: Spocket wins on quality and fast shipping, but AutoDS wins on variety and scale. Shipping speed. Spocket is known for fast 2 to 5 day delivery across the US and EU, thanks to its local supplier base. Customers get products quickly, which helps reduce refunds and boost satisfaction. AutoDS also offers fast shipping through its private warehouses, but because many of its suppliers are global, some items can take longer. Verdict: for local US and EU delivery, Spocket is faster. For global reach, AutoDS is more flexible. Automation and fulfillment. Automation is where the difference really shows. Spocket automates order processing and tracking. When a customer buys, the order goes straight to the supplier, but you still need to manage inventory and pricing updates yourself. AutoDS takes automation further. It handles everything: product importing, inventory sync, dynamic pricing, and even automatic ordering and tracking updates. It can also generate product titles and descriptions using AI. Verdict: AutoDS is the winner for automation. It can run almost your entire store on autopilot. Branding and custom packaging. Spocket lets you send branded invoices and keeps packaging clean so it looks professional. That's great for sellers who want to build their own brand image. AutoDS goes a bit further. You can add custom thank you cards and invoices with your logo through select suppliers. Verdicts: both support branding, but AutoDS offers more options to personalize your customer experience. Marketing and integrations. Spocket connects with marketing tools like MailChimp, Klaviyo, Facebook, and Google Ads. That means you can easily set up email campaigns and ads right from your store. AutoDS has built-in marketing automation, but fewer external integrations. It's better at running internal workflows, not at connecting to marketing tools. Verdict: Spocket wins if you rely on marketing integrations like email or social media ads. Bulk actions and scaling. Both tools support bulk imports and updates, but in different ways. Spocket lets you import or update many products at once, but it's designed to stay simple. Great if you want speed. AutoDS gives you more control. You can set automation rules like adjusting prices automatically when a supplier changes them. It's more advanced, but of course, takes longer to set up. Verdict: Spocket is faster to use. AutoDS is better for complex automation at scale. Pricing. Spocket starts at $39 per month for the starter plan with 25 products. The top unicorn plan costs $299 per month and includes over 25,000 products, branded invoices, and supplier chat. All plans have a 7-day free trial, no transaction fees, and access to Spocket Academy. AutoDS is cheaper and more flexible. Prices start at $19 per month for 200 products and go up to $49 per month for 1,000 products. There's also a custom enterprise plan for large stores. Every plan includes automation tools and a 14-day free trial for $1. Verdict: Spocket is simple to follow, but AutoDS gives better value and scales more easily. customer support, and learning resources. Spocket offers 24/7 live chat and email tutorials, and the Spocket Academy for beginners. It's great for new sellers who want guided help. AutoDS also has 24/7 support and offers a full Dropship Academy, blog, and YouTube channel with deep tutorials. Verdict: both have solid support, but AutoDS offers more educational resources. User feedback: both platforms have excellent reputations online. AutoDS currently holds a 4.9-star rating on Trustpilot from over 25,000 reviews, with users praising its automation tools, customer support, and ease of scaling. Spocket also performs very well, earning a 4.7-star rating from more than 10,000 reviews, with sellers highlighting its fast shipping, product quality, and beginner-friendly interface. Verdict: AutoDS has a slightly higher rating, but Spocket remains the top pick for sellers who value quality, fast shipping, and an easier user experience. Final verdict: both tools are excellent for dropshipping, but they serve different needs. AutoDS is best for sellers who want deep automation, AI tools, and access to a wider variety of global products. It's powerful and flexible, ideal for those looking to scale fast. Spocket, on the other hand, focuses on quality and simplicity. It offers reliable US and EU suppliers, faster shipping, and cleaner, easier setup for beginners. Overall, if you want a smooth, trustworthy experience with high-quality products and quick delivery, go with Spocket. Alright, I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to test Spocket or AutoDS, I've left links in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.